Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a user requirements diagram using Enterprise Architect. This is a key step in the development of software projects as it helps define exactly what users expect from the system. Let's get started. First, we need to create a project. To create a project, click on File, then on New Project. After we have created the project, it is necessary to click on the model and then on the folder icon. After clicking on the folder icon, a window opens where we can write the name of the package. In our case, it is a diagram of user requirements. Then we click OK and a new window opens that allows us to choose the package type. When we select the type, the user requirements diagram package will be created. After that, we click on the diagram of user requests and a space will open in which we will add user requests. To add custom requirements, we need to click on the Design tab and then on the Toolbox. When we click on the Toolbox, a toolbox with components for creating this diagram will open. What we will need is the requirements component. We can add it by dragging. When we drag the requirements component, by double-clicking on it, we can enter the name of the requirement, for example, creating an invoice. For that request, we can enter what characterizes that request. For example, invoice code, employee, and the like, in order to show that the number of invoices, workers, etc., refers to the request creating invoices, we can connect them with a certain arrow. We do this by selecting a certain request and dragging it to certain characteristics. Connections that can join requests and their characteristics in association, aggregation, dependency, and others. Those arrows will be talked about in one of the next videos. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Best regards.